Hello Hula students, this is just a quick tutorial about how to use this website to complete your weekly assignments, specifically how to get a Google Doc packet from this website into your own Google Doc app so that you can edit it and answer the questions on it and then turn it in. So here at the top we just have some quick links. So we have our Unit IXL lessons, how to complete your assignments. There is an optional challenge assignment specifically for those students who are interested in those pre-AP classes for high school. And then you have your weekly assignments here, and then some additional resources that mostly includes the Quizlets from this unit. So if we scroll down, we've got our Unit IXL lessons. Quite a few of these lessons students completed before classrooms were closed. So if you go into IXL, you might notice you've already done these. Just make sure that you get them turned into Canvas if you haven't already. Unit final assessments. We have two ways that we can assess and evaluate what we learned this unit. There is going to be a final book project the very last week of this unit, and then there is a Canvas quiz that you can take to check to see how well you have understood the skills that we learned in the IXL lessons and in the in part of our notebooks in class. This Canvas quiz can only help your grade. You basically get credit for taking it. And then we have our weekly assignments for the giver. So if we click on the read this first, it says to copy this Google Doc packet into your own Google Doc app and then review the packet directions. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this hyperlink here, and it should go ahead and bring up your Google Docs app. Now, if you don't have your Google Docs app installed already, you need to go to the app catalog and take care of that before trying this. I know too that for some students it takes a couple of times for your Google Doc for this to work properly. So if it doesn't work the first time, please just try it a few times before you send me any panicked emails. So here is our packet. Basically what I did was I took all of the before, during, and after work from the Google Slides that we were using in class, and I put it into a packet for you. So please make sure when you're using this you type your answers in blue, and that makes it easy for me to quickly see your answers and give you credit for them. Before you can start typing, you need to put this document into your own Google Docs so you have editing access. So you're going to click these three dots at the top right, and you go down to Share and Export, and then you go to Make a Copy. If Make a Copy is not available to you, please go and try this process again. It should end up being available, but for some students, it might take a couple times. So you're going to click Make a Copy. It's going to take a moment to make the copy for you. All right, so you can see up at the top here, we have copy of the giver chapter activities. Okay, so now if I go to the bottom right, there's this little pencil icon, and if I click on it, now I can go ahead and edit this document. So be careful not to delete anything that you're not supposed to, but if I go to chapters 13 through 15, a lot of chapters 13 through 15 you've already have done in your notebook. There's going to be a vocabulary activity, so this is what you would do before you start reading. For this one, it's just some Quizlet work, but if you go to chapters 16 and 17, most of the time it's going to be a vocabulary table that you just need to fill in. While you read, pause the audiobook as much as you need to, or stop reading your hard copy book as often as needed in order to go ahead and fill out these questions. I recommend reading the questions ahead of time so you know what to look for, and then when you're ready, you just are going to find the question you want to answer. Please go up and change your text color to blue, and then you can go back down and type your answer here. Okay. And then you're going to scroll down, and after reading, so once that chapter set is over, so once 13 through 15 are all finished, then you're going to complete the after reading activity. If there is a sentence frame for you to complete, you're just going to go in and delete any of the blank lines. And then again, please go up and change your font color. And then you're going to type your answer. Okay. For this particular question, if you're not sure what a dystopia is, if you click here, then it'll bring you up to a YouTube video. So again, chapters are divided up in pairs just like they were in class. Very similar work to what we were doing in class. You're just doing it in a packet instead of in your notebook. So if I go back to our website, now I have the Google Doc packet ready to go, ready to edit in my own Google Docs app. And then if I go down to my weekly assignments, so if I click on these drop-down menus here, the audiobook is available. So in class, we read chapters 13 and 14, so I would start on chapter 15. So if you click chapter 15, it should open up, you should have access to it. It's going to be an audio file. It might take a moment or two to load, so please be patient. Even if it looks like it should be playing and it's not, it's just because it's taking a moment to load. So I have it up here. I'm going to go ahead and press play.
Jonas entered the annex room and realized immediately that it was a dead.
So you could see it took a moment, and you see the gray kind of buffer here. Okay, so you might need to wait a moment or two. Please be patient with it. You can listen to the audiobook, pause it as often as you need to, and then you can just toggle between your Google Doc and the audiobook. So you pause the audiobook as often as you need to fill in those questions. So if I go ahead and go back to our website here, you can see that Tuesday and Wednesday, you should be reading chapters 16 and 17 and completing the activities in your Google Doc packet for those 2 chapters. So it works out to about a chapter a day. All right, they're just grouped together just like they were in class, since the questions are grouped by chapter sets. So May 4th through 8th assignments, same deal. You've got your chapters to read. You can click here. You have a few different final project options, so you can choose whichever one you would like. And then down at the bottom here, for those of you that are really sick of staring at your screen, you can go ahead and complete the chapter activities in your notebook just like we were doing in class if you would prefer that option. You just need to make sure you're taking very clear pictures of your notebook to turn into Canvas. So you can go through the slide with these buttons right down here, just like we would be doing in class. Fill in the in, through, and out sections of your notebook. And up at the top of each slide, it tells you what notebook pages you should be working on for those particular chapters. The very bottom here, you have your additional unit resources drop-down menu. So this is where you're going to find any Quizlets that would help you study for the end of unit Canvas quiz. And then there is also the book versus the movie comparison assignment. We obviously aren't going to get to watch the movie in class, but if you can find the movie or your parents have the movie, you are still welcome to go ahead and do that assignment and email it to me if you would like. If you have any other clarification questions about how to access assignments, how to do the work in Google Docs, please make sure you email me.